Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. Versatility and quality. That is what I love about this Bold Unique thermal heat protector. So the first thing that I noticed was how beautiful and shiny it makes your hair. And it didn't matter if I wanted to wear it straight or if I wanted to wear it curly. It made it so easy to style. And even on days that I wanted to wear my hair wavy, it was great because all I had to do was just take the spray it on, and scrunch up my hair. And then it just turned it into beautiful, soft waves. And anytime I had to use a flat iron on my hair, it was really nice because my hair was soft and manageable and it was easy to straighten. So if you're like me and you want versatility in your life as well as quality, I think that you should try this Bold Unique spray. I am so happy and so impressed with this product. It's so nice to be able to find a product like that. And that is just my point of view.